Hello folks, today's episode is going to be a wild one. We'll be having lots of fish here. The way that Moroccans eat their fish is really wild. The menu is literally laid out raw on the entire huge table. From lobster that's bigger from my face to deep sea fish that look like alien. If you pick it, they will kill it, they will cook it. And wait until you see the later on live noodle show that is made from sleeping fishes that are cooked alive. This is cruel, it's fresh, and is 100% at Tangier. So let's go on and enjoy the fish feast. Look at all this spread of fish. It's like a graveyard here at Atlantic Ocean, but it looks a delicious graveyard, right? Look at all these fishes. They feel like they've been hitting the gym. Most of the fish are huge, are big, something that you really won't see unless you're in the deep sea. So the question is, why is there so much seafood at here? Well, Tangier here, right, is all about geographic. Tangier here, right, is the meeting point of Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea. So you can bet that there's lots of fish being mixed around in this current. The cold water also brings up nutrient-rich sediments, so it will attract huge fish that include the famous bluefin tuna to these weird sea aliens. Back in those days, Tangier was actually the fish export capital for the Roman Empire. Thus, all the fish that we are enjoying is something that their grand ancestors have been eating since the olden days. We will start with some fish salad first. Following up, we will be having a live show session. They are using hot oil as a base, right, in this entire stone pot. Then after that, they will be pouring in all these small little fish into it, boiling them alive. For some, they might feel that this is a brutal way to go it, but to be honest, the freshness is definitely undeniable. Each fish is small and thin like a noodle, so later on we'll be literally sipping away this fish-like noodle. It's like a noodle soup but made from fish. As the little fish are so tiny, it literally takes almost no time to cook them out. Just a couple of minutes with all this hot oil and it's done, being cooked live right in front of our face. And this dish is literally one of the most recommended dishes in this shop that everybody must try. Alright, our fish noodle is being served, so let's have it while it's hot. Having this dish is really like sipping up noodle, like ramen, you know. They are delicate, they are salty, and there's no bones inside, you can just sip them out. To be honest, I never had anything like this before, and it's really mind-blowing to me. And dipping them in this local chili sauce is something that can enhance the flavor up to the next notch. Moving on, time to serve the main course. A massive steaming platter of seafood is being served right now. And look at this is gonna take everybody on the table to finish it. I'm eating this with my whole brother gang here. We are like 3 men strong, but we really don't have confidence to eat up all this fish. This is definitely a mountain of ocean protein, and let's do the breakdown here one by one. First, let's start with this fried baby squid. It's as small as your finger, crispy and tender, and there's no rubbery texture here. It's very nice. Follow up, I'll be having this tuna stick. It's definitely the crown of this fish, and it's so fresh that you have a natural sweetness to it. The local Moroccan style, like to dip it with some mayos, so let's try it here also. And this is a piece of swordfish. In Tangier, swordfish is really a stable fish. It's firm and meaty and tastes like a steak from the sea with your own unique taste inside. Next up is a technical of this octopus. It's really well grilled and it's not too old, so it's not too hard to have it, and it's pretty juicy down to the meat. There's also some mini fried fish. You can treat it as the French fry or Morocco here. It's how you eat French fries, you just stuff the whole thing inside. And next up is this monkfish. It's like a sea beef version. It's very firm, and to be honest, the meat is fine, but it's just a preference that I'd rather have a monkfish liver, as the liver is being great as the foie gras of the ocean. For this platter, this is the secret weapon, the rice that has been soaked up with all the fish oil and the fragrance from the cooking. It has been infused. Classic fried squid ring is something that you can never go wrong here in this platter. Now, after trying every part of this platter, I'm going back to something that personally I love, the tuna steaks. It actually brings me back to the days of eating tuna steak in Japan. Same quality, different continent, and of course different style of eating. They actually use lime to squeeze it on it, make it really sour. I'm definitely game to try this eating method because every country might be eating the same food using different methods. Tangier seafood is definitely on the next level and it's really impressive. After having so much fish, which one are you interested? Tell us more in the comments. You definitely need to subscribe to Jay's journey for more Moroccan's adventure.